Welcome back to Unfiltered-X, everybody. Work Zone Safety Report, I-90 and Route 53 to Lake Cook Road. Today, we're focusing on one of the most significant roadway improvement projects currently underway in the northwest suburbs, the Route 53 corridor from Interstate 90 North to Lake Cook Road. This project covers roughly 6.4 miles of roadway and is a key connection for drivers traveling between Schaumburg, Arlington Heights, Buffalo Grove, and the Lake County communities to the north. IDOT launched this project in the spring of 2024 with a clear goal: to improve the overall condition of the highway, reduce long-term maintenance costs, and most importantly, create a safer work zone for both motorists and the men and women working alongside live traffic. The Route 53 stretch from I-90 to Lake Cook carries tens of thousands of vehicles every day, and any construction here requires careful planning to keep people moving while keeping everyone safe. Over the past year, crews have been resurfacing pavement, repairing bridges and drainage structures, and installing new traffic control devices. But beyond the physical upgrades to the roadway, this project is a showcase for IDOT's work zone safety technology. Drivers will notice a series of digital message boards providing real-time traffic conditions, high-visibility orange and white barrier walls, and well-marked lane shifts designed to keep vehicles separated from workers. Temporary rumble strips, reflective pavement markings, and speed feedback signs are all in place to alert drivers as they enter and travel through the work zone. Reminds motorists that speed limits are reduced throughout the entire construction area, and automated speed enforcement cameras are active when workers are present. Troopers from the Illinois State Police have been conducting regular patrols and enforcement details to reinforce the importance of slowing down and staying alert. The agency continues to emphasize that even a few miles per hour over the posted work zone limit can be the difference between a near miss and a serious crash. Looking at the timeline, the project is now entering its final phases. Major roadway and structural work is scheduled to continue through the summer of 2025. After that, crews will complete the final surface course, pavement markings, and landscaping. The targeted completion date is October of 2025, weather permitting. Once finished, drivers will experience smoother pavement, upgraded drainage to reduce flooding during storms, and clearer signage to improve traffic flow well into the future. While construction continues, IDOT urges everyone who travels this corridor to plan ahead. Allow extra travel time, watch for changing lane patterns, and avoid distractions such as mobile phones. Remember the simple rule that saves lives: slow down and move over when you see flashing lights, barrels, or workers on the roadway. These precautions protect not only the crews on site, but also the motorists sharing the road. Again, the Illinois Department of Transportation thanks drivers for their patience as work continues on the 6.4-mile improvement of Route 53 from Interstate 90 to Lake Cook Road. By taking it slow today, we're building a safer, smoother ride for tomorrow. If you found this update helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Unfiltered-X, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new report. Share this video with anyone who drives the I-90 and Route 53 corridor so we can all stay safe out there.